However, there's so much moisture in it. young male is attempting to establish his presence. He's posturing, agitated. That sounds like someone we know, right?
Okay, let's remember this follows first interaction.
I just want to make sure the weapons can't hurt anyone or anything ever again. That sound like a plan?
Sounds